Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill. Now are you wondering, Leah, what is that all about? Well, here's the thing. I'm on a remodeling job and I want to keep the dust down and confined to one area so it's not traveling throughout the house. And the best way to do it, believe it or not, is with one of these things. It's a dust barrier system and it really does help keep the dust confined. Now, if you're thinking about doing a remodeling job, I can almost guarantee you that there's going to be a lot of dust. So I'm going to show you how to install one of these so that in the future, maybe even right now, you can install one on the job that you're working on. So this is what I purchased in the store. It costs about $20. Now what I will tell you is this is a 2 heavy-duty zipper package. It's all you're going to find in this box is a couple zippers and a tool to install it. They do, however, make the zip wall door kit, which wasn't available in the store that I shopped in. Now I've already hung my plastic in the opening of the room that I want to close off. What I will tell you is you want to use 4mm plastic if you just go with the zippers and you don't go with the kit, because in the kit you get the tape and you get the plastic and the zippers. So just remember, 4mm plastic. So this is what our zipper looks like, okay? We've got our zipper material on one side, cloth, and then the zipper, right? I'm going to flip it over to the back side so you can see this. It's got a plastic covering that you peel away. Now what you want to do is this. You want to start, let me just roll this out so you can see what I'm talking about here. Now this is very, very important. When you install this, you start with the zipper pull, okay, at the bottom of your doorway. That's what you want. You want this to be at the bottom as you install. Okay, so this is what we want to do. You want to determine the height that you want to start at. Okay, every opening is different, every doorway is different. So just determine what fits you best, okay, or your passageway, what fits best. Now what I will tell you is this looks a little reversed because you think of a coat, and usually the pull is at the top of the coat and you zip down, right? Well, it's reversed. We're starting our install reversed. So here we go. This is what you want to do. You want to peel the paper away, okay, because that's really super tacky. And you just want to peel a little bit away, not a whole lot, okay, just to get started. Don't remove all this paper, because if you do, it's going to be a nightmare. This is our starting point. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push firmly against the zipper, okay, as I pull the paper down in the back. So a little bit, and then I'll press. There we go. Now I want you to notice how it bends down, okay? It meets the floor. You want to do that. You want to have a little bit of a flap there to keep all the dust from coming in from underneath. You know, if you cut it level with the floor, dust would be able to blow in and out. So just keep that little flap there. I'll trim this plastic later. Now it's time to finish the install, right? What we have to do is we take that zipper, and we just zip up. Now let me show you the tool that they include, okay? This is what cuts the opening for the zipper. You know, the opening so when you unzip it, you actually have some place to go, okay? Anyway, what this does is, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a little razor blade right there. See that? And on the other side, there's a razor blade as well. Let me show you how this tool works. So what you want to do is you want to part the zipper, okay? Part the zipper like that. Then you're going to take the tool and you're going to puncture and pull straight down, okay? So let me get this into a position here. And now all I have to do is puncture the plastic. Now I just have to pull straight down. See, it's just cutting like a ribbon of plastic right down the center. There we go. So there we go. Now we'll just take our plastic ribbon and cut it off at the top. So that's it, folks. It's really simple to install. It's pretty straightforward, and it really does keep the dust down. Now what I'll do is I'll place a link in the description below the video so that you can check it out for yourself. I think I paid $20 for mine at a big box store, but maybe you can find it for less online. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.